Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to verify PayPal photo ID. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to start uploading or providing your photo ID here in PayPal, well, the first thing that you want to do is you may want to check your notification. Now, the easiest way for you to upload your documents is just seeing your notifications. So go and click on the notification icon at the top right, click on see all notifications, and in here you want to go ahead and basically choose the option here that says provide information. Now, typically it should give you the link that says provide information here. You go ahead and click on it, and it will redirect you to the photo ID upload or submission page. Now, just make sure to upload a clear photo or a photo that that text is clearly visible or readable. And by the way, if you don't see that, you may want to look for the option that says to help keep your account more secure. Go and click on see details here, something similar to this. So this is not a direct way for you to upload your photo, but then again, they will ask you to provide some information about your business, but at the next page they will ask you to provide some form of ID just for verification. Now, this is the first way. What about the second way? Now, the second way here is through their resolution center. Now, typically at the top right of the screen, you want to go and click on your profile, go to help. Now, inside the help page here, scroll down a bit here, look for resolution center. Now, if there are any problems with your account, typically they will or people will directly ask you to provide or basically upload some details. Now, in here, it should be under needs your attention. Now, you should see a case here about uploading your ID. So go ahead and just click on that case. Click on the submit button for you to upload or to submit your PayPal photo ID. Now, in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.